So you can see here that I am in Google Chrome and I have 4 tabs open. Now it's pretty easy to switch tabs, but you gotta take your mouse all the way up to the top of the screen, and that's tab 1, and then click over here on tab 4 and back up tab 2. You can switch that way, but there's an easier way. So I'm on a Mac, I'm gonna use the command key, and command 1 takes me to the first tab. Now, if you are on a PC or a Chromebook, you're gonna use the control key. So control 2 takes you to the second tab, control 3 to the third tab, and notice my mouse is way down here at the bottom, but control 4 takes me to the fourth tab. Control 1 first tab, control 4 fourth tab. I encourage you to get in the habit of using control 2 to get to the second tab. It's much faster and you're not straining your arm all the time taking that mouse up to the top of the screen.